Hey, do you have any tips for managing time effectively? I always seem to be running out of it.
Sure, there are many ways to manage time effectively. One of the most important things is to set goals and prioritize your tasks based on their importance and urgency.
That makes sense. But how do you know which tasks are important and urgent?
Well, you can use the Eisenhower matrix to help you categorize your tasks. It's a simple tool that helps you identify which tasks are important and urgent but not urgent, urgent but not important, and neither important nor urgent.
Interesting. Does it really work?
Yes, it does. In fact, a study by the University of California found that people who used the Eisenhower matrix were more productive and less stressed than those who didn't.
Wow, that's impressive. What else can I do to manage my time effectively?
Another important thing is to avoid multitasking. Contrary to popular belief, multitasking actually reduces productivity and increases stress. It's better to focus on one task at a time and give it your full attention.
I didn't know that. I always thought multitasking was a good thing.
No, it's not. In fact, a study by Stanford University found that people who multitasked were less productive and had more trouble focusing than those who didn't.
Thanks for the tips. I'm definitely going to try those techniques.
You're welcome. Remember, effective time management is all about finding what works best for you and sticking to it.